What's up, people? Welcome to the channel. So in this video I wanted to do a little review type video for another IKEA cabinet. Not too long ago, actually about a year ago, I did a review on this IKEA TV stand for my 82-inch Samsung. Seems like a lot of people enjoyed watching it, like the information and stuff. So just recently I kind of redid my whole basement down here, redid the floors, did some paint and stuff, reorganized everything, and I wanted to add some type of a snack cart, snack stand, and something I could put my popcorn machine on because we watch movies down here. Alright guys, so I want to talk to you guys about this IKEA cabinet here. For probably about 2 or 3 months I was researching, Googling, trying to figure out what I wanted to put over in this corner here to be able to put my popcorn maker on top of it and then put some snacks inside of it, you know, on display, something you can easily get to. And I couldn't really find anything that was, one, something I was looking for that fit the bill, you know, size wise, something with the glass front door, right height, width, all that stuff, or something I did find and I liked. It was pretty expensive. So walking through IKEA one day, and me and my wife seen this, and it dawned on me, oh wow, maybe I can use that as like a snack cart. So took some measurements, came back home, double checked to make sure it would fit here, make sure my popcorn maker would fit on top of it, and I'm really happy that I picked this up. It was affordable, and it for me, it fits the bill. As you guys can see, my popcorn maker fits fine on it. I got all my snacks down here. It's got 2 doors here. Got the glass in the front. It's got glass shelves. So here's a closer look. I'll go ahead and do some measurements here in a second. As you guys can see here, I got all my snacks, got my popcorn maker up top there, and I really think that it works out well for my setup. It's got glass shelves there, and they are adjustable. If you guys look on the side there, you can see the holes. So these glass shelves are adjustable, which are nice. So you can space it out however you want. Nice quality hinges here. There's the other side. Now this lighting that you guys see in here, I got a light up here, another light up here. I just went on Amazon and I picked some lights up. They're wireless and they work with a remote. I got like rechargeable batteries in them. I can put a link to those in the description box if you guys are interested in those, but they work out real well in illuminating this cabinet for me. Got a big area down here for like my popcorn seasoning. Got some York peppermint patties down here. Got all the chips, Cracker Jacks, Swedish Fish, Sour Patch Kids. Of course, you got to have your snow caps. I'm a big snow caps fan when I'm watching a movie. Some Jolly Ranchers and some more chips. What I'll do now is I'll go ahead and I'll take some measurements for you guys. Alright, so go ahead and measure the top here. Side to side, the width, we're looking at 31 inches. So, got 31 inches, comes right up to there. And I'll also put a link to IKEA in the description box so you guys can click on that link. I got the red vines up here. Put those off to the side. For the depth, we got 16 inches. I'd say 16 and a half just to be safe. And then for the height, You got about 37.5 inches all the way to the top. For the top here, I just kind of put like a rubber mat, you guys can see. And that's just to try to protect the top of that wood from like oils and stuff from all my, when I'm making popcorn. You guys can see I got a little oil that spilt there. Didn't want that to get on the wood, so I ended up putting a little rubber mat kind of on there. Real easy to put together. I want to say it took me less than a half hour to put together. Doors are nice. Got that glass. It's not plexiglass, it's actually glass in there. Nice handles. There's the inside again. But I really like it. Like I said, it serves the purpose real well. Give you a side view here. So that's the side view. So you can see it's not too big and bulky. I had this cabinet now probably for close to 6 months, between 6 months and a year. And it's held up real well. So as far as, you know, durability and stuff goes, you know, we don't go in it on a daily basis, maybe a couple times during the week, but like I said, haven't had a problem with the durability in it. So now you do have this cabinet where it doesn't have the glass doors, it's just solid. So got a couple different options with that, and then they got a couple different color options also. But this one was $100, regular price. I don't think it was on sale or anything. And then if you go with the ones that don't have the glass front doors, I want to say it's like $80. But I'll go ahead and make sure I put a link in the description box where you can pick this up, so you guys can check it out, get more information, and see what all they have to offer for colors and designs. But hopefully you guys found this video useful. If you did, hit that like button. If you guys got any comments or questions, put them below. I'll do my best to answer all the questions. And if you guys like what I'm doing on my channel, hit that subscription button. As usual, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.